Hello everybody. Today we will be continuing our journey of learning C++ for free. Watching and learning these videos for only 5 minutes a day will make you a master programmer. So, last class we went over how to print and using the cout. So this class we're going to go over what all of this means and what goes on behind the covers sort of and why we need the semicolon. Last time we did hello everybody, or we can print whatever we want, and my goal for you was just to print something. It could be anything of your choosing. So we printed hello everybody, which is my intro. So let's get started let's reload the page and let's see what all they have. So let's get rid of this. Okay, so this is our compiler, JDoodle. A compiler is something that it checks your code for all errors, and then it tells you what the errors are, and then you can click execute and it'll happen. So not all compilers work like that, which is why JDoodle is very, very great, because it's built in all into one. So these, and also in JDoodle, these statements are already given, and the integer definitions, we'll explain what that is sometime soon. So these statements, like this and this. So hashtag include IOStream is basically like calling a library. So a library in C++ has pre-given things that you can use that people have already made for you. For example, this library, hashtag include IOStream. This allows you to read data and print data, and this is an example of print data. If you don't have this library, you won't be able to print. So make sure you always have this library, and JDoodle is great because it already includes it for you. As well as using namespace standard. Basically what this does is, in previous C's and C++'s, you would have to write this before every single statement, which was very tedious, so it just makes your life a lot easier. Int main is where you will write the majority of your code. Make sure you add parentheses and brackets after writing int main. Anything inside the brackets will be run by the compiler. If you don't use parentheses and brackets, then it will cause a syntax error. So semicolons basically tell the C++ compiler, okay, we are going to end this statement. But okay, if we leave it off like that, right? It gives you an error because it says expected semicolon before token. And the great thing about JDoodle, as I said before, it tells you, but a lot of compilers will not tell you, which will be a huge problem. And it could ruin your code if it doesn't tell you the problem. So there we go, sum of x plus y. Today, my goal or challenge for you today is to be able to write all of the stuff, like the basic stuff that's required for every single program. You want to be able to write that without having to use JDoodle's given stuff. You can practice, you can look at the JDoodle, but you're always going to need to know that. And most compilers don't already supply that kind of stuff. So, okay, so first it's hashtag include. Hashtag include tells C++, okay, we're adding a library. Then we do less than, greater than sign, IOStream. And this is basically the command for taking an input and printing input. Then using namespace standard, which we explained. And then int main, parentheses, bracket, and then JDoodle's really great about this. For example, if you do one parentheses, it'll automatically do the other parentheses for you, which is great. And if you do one bracket and you click enter, then the other one will automatically appear, so you don't need to worry about that. And then we don't necessarily need this, but just to see if we did the other things correctly, cout, and let's just do some random thing and execute. Taking a while, and yeah, there we have it. So try doing that on your own. So just reload, select all of it and delete it, and then try to fill it in and see if you can print something. If there's any errors, you can just always check, but make sure you're really comfortable with this, because every single program you do is going to contain these things. So good luck. See you in the next one. Peace.